This is gonna be a 2-ingredient mask, and it will contain dahi, Indian curd, or you can use yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt here because here in Canada I could not get, like, I don't use curd, or I don't set any curd. So secondly, I'm using aloe vera, and aloe vera is quite good for hydration and nourishing your hair. I generally use aloe vera for my hair. Nothing else suits me because it's very thin from here, so I'm going to take like a lot in length. So just cutting this much. Just cut it from a knife and be careful. So I have taken this section, and then what you want to do is just take this like the end part, the edge off from the knife. Just make sure it's very thin and you are not wasting or taking out the juice, aloe vera juice. Now it's done. What you want to do is just cut this like from the middle so that you can separate it in 2 parts, and you have to scrape those 2 parts. So so this is how like one part looks, and this is the another part which has like more juice. Now extracting this is also important. So you want to scrape it so that you get the juice and not the like big chunks. So you can do this from a spoon. I'm going to take this knife and just scrub it like this on the aloe vera. So I am adding 2 big spoons of curd. You can add more if you want, but it's a cold weather and I don't want to apply a lot of curd. Just enough for my like roots and some dandruff. So 1 big spoon and another spoon. So now that the curd is added, just mix it till it becomes one. And since this was a very thin watery aloe vera, this has a very thin consistency, but that's okay. Be careful in applying in your hair. So after adding the honey, the mask is ready, and you can keep it till 30 minutes or 1 hour. I keep it for 2 hours, and then I will wash my hair. After washing my hair, I will show you the results, and also tomorrow, because tomorrow they're gonna look better. So let's do that. Don't rub the mask too much so that you don't break hair. You can massage it very gently. This is a sped up video, that is why it looks like I'm doing it very fast. After applying the mask, cover your hair with a plastic bag so that the heat gets trapped and the mask is absorbed in the hair more efficiently. Here I'm using a compostable plastic bag which I'm going to reuse for compost later. Cover for initial 20 to 25 minutes. Here are my hair after washing and drying on the same day. You will see the difference in dandruff. And this is the next morning when my hair looked the best. One small tip, always comb your hair before washing so that you don't need to comb after washing. There will be less breakage. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Bye.